why Terra Classic price skyrockets over 30%, and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Terra Diamond token. If you hold Lunc tokens for the long term, the Terra Diamond team promotes the ideology of long-term holding of Terra tokens. This project positions themselves as trustworthy investors and the full embodiment of confident holders. Tokens from the Terra ecosystem have a great future, so new investors looking at Terra Diamond will definitely be able to realize how serious Lunc holders are. Monthly draws, staking, listings, and more will be available in this project soon. All links to Terra Diamond and also to their own token Lund in the description. Go and buy the token for excellent profits. So let's continue with that. The Lunc price skyrockets over 30%. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, burned 2.21 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens in the 19th batch of the Lunc burn mechanism. As a result, the net Lunc burn by the crypto exchange reaches over 53 billion. And the total tokens burned by the Terra Luna Classic community reaches over 102 billion. The 100 billion Lunc milestone uplifted Terra Luna Classic community sentiment and confidence amid a collaborative effort to remove Lunc tokens from the circulating supply. Binance sent 2.21 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens to the burn address, as per the transaction on March 1st. Notably, the 19th batch of the Lunc burn mechanism, Binance burned over 270 million trading fees for the period January 31st to February 28th. After the latest burn, Binance's total Lunc burn reaches 53.48 billion Terra Classic tokens from trading fees on Lunc spot and margin trading pairs. The current burn is significant as the Terra Luna Classic burn campaign hit the 100 billion Lunc burn milestone, with the total burn reaching over 102 billion. Crypto exchanges, validators, projects, and community members collectively burn on average over 400 million Lunky per week. In February, Binance burned 2.1 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens. The burn rate significantly increased after a massive jump in Lunc trading volume on the crypto exchange amid a massive rally in Bitcoin price and altcoins. Lunc token circulating supply is 5.78 trillion, and the total supply is 6.80 trillion. As the bull market picks pace, Lunc community's plans to boost utility, funding, and chain developments will support rise in Lunc burn rate. Binance Lunc burn effortlessly pushing prices upwards as massive shorts are liquidated in the last 24 hours, indicating bullish sentiment among traders. Lunc price jumps 30% in the last 24 hours and 45% in February, with the price currently trading at 0.30's $172. The 24-hour high and low are 0.30's $14 and 0.30's $185, respectively. Moreover, trading volume has increased by 21% in the last 24 hours, indicating high interest among traders. Investors eye Lunc hitting the 0.30's $2 resistance level soon. Meanwhile, USDC price also jumped 12% in the last 24 hours after a 42% rally in February, with the price currently trading at $0.038. The 24-hour low and high are $0.035 and $0.039 respectively. The rally will sustain as the community moves ahead with 800 million USDC burn worth over $32 million. Now let's talk about 3 developments to send Terra Classic to 1 cent after Bitcoin halving. The price of Terra Classic has been a topic of concern for investors since its significant drop from its peak of $119 in April 2022. Recent developments, such as the ongoing token burn program and the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, have sparked discussions about the potential for the Lunc price to rise once again. Presently, Terra Classic is trading at around 0.30's $172 with a market cap of $994 million. Despite the prevailing bearish sentiment, the Fear and Greed Index stands at 85, indicating extreme greed among investors. Although analysts have cautioned that past performance may not always predict future outcomes, we have written out 3 developments that could send Terra Classic to 1 cent after the anticipated Bitcoin halving event. In first token, burn program gains traction. A significant factor influencing Lunc's path is the continuous token burn program led by the Terra Classic community to decrease supply and potentially enhance the value of remaining tokens. With over 100 billion Lunc already burned, notably with Binance contributing over 51%. This initiative aims to shape Lunc's value positively. The upcoming burning event on March 1st, 2024, underscores the community's dedication to this program. While past burns have shown temporary price spikes, analysts stress that external market dynamics heavily influence price movements, making long-term forecasts challenging. In second, Proposal 12073 approved. The recent approval of Proposal 12073 permits the burning of 800 million USTC from the Risk Harbor multi-sig wallet, potentially affecting both USTC and Lunc. Following approval, USTC saw a 25% price surge. While a direct link between USTC and Lunc isn't guaranteed, a thriving USTC could indirectly benefit Lunc. Nevertheless, experts advise caution due to uncertainties surrounding this proposal's long-term implications on Lunc's price. In third, Bitcoin halving. The upcoming Bitcoin halving in 2024 is a pivotal event known to impact the broader cryptocurrency market. As Bitcoin supply decreases, scarcity typically drives its price higher, historically benefiting other cryptocurrencies like Lunc. However, analysts stress that any potential impact of the Bitcoin halving on Lunc is speculative and contingent on factors such as market conditions, adoption rates, and broader economic trends. While these factors provide reasons for optimism regarding Lunc's price trajectory, achieving 1 cent after Bitcoin halving remains a formidable challenge. Analysts stress thorough research, cautious consideration of past performance, and avoiding investment decisions based solely on speculation or hype as essential practices in navigating the evolving cryptocurrency market responsibly. Let's also talk about Terra Classic's price dynamic. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts are buzzing about Terra Luna Classic as it takes center stage with its notable price swings and strategic burn programs. Let's dive into the recent developments of this digital asset, which has been on a roller coaster ride. After a bumpy ride in 2022, with Lunc hitting highs above $100 before taking a dip, the token has once again grabbed attention. Recently, it saw an impressive 14% increase, reaching 0.30's $140 in just a week. However, a subsequent 8% drop from the peak, along with a significant 38% decrease in trading volume, adds a new layer of complexity. To tackle these challenges, Binance, a major crypto exchange, initiated a burn program, eliminating a whopping $100 billion worth of Lunc tokens from circulation. This bold move, constituting over 51% of the total burning activity, played a key role in the recent price surges. Today marks the 19th burn event for Lunc, expected to maintain the upward momentum and potentially trigger more market movements. With a circulating supply of 5.7 trillion and a total supply of 6.8 trillion tokens, the Lunc community is actively enhancing utility, securing finances, and increasing the burn rate. Despite the positive impact of the 18th burn on Lunc prices, market conditions play a role. The crypto market, driven by notable coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, recently experienced fluctuations, adding an element of uncertainty. Looking back at Terra Classic's performance, it hit a record high of $119 on April 5th, 2022, and an all-time low of 0.40's $165 on May 13th, 2022. The lowest since then has been 0.40's $165, while the highest reached 0.30's $590. The current prediction for Terra Classic's price is bearish, with the fear and greed index standing at 80, signaling extreme greed in the market. And lastly, let's talk about what's happening with Lunc today. In the last 24 hours, the price of Terra Classic has increased by a tremendous 29%, according to CoinMarketCap data. The price increase also affected its market cap, which rose above the $1 billion mark. Lunc's price increase came amid growing bullish sentiment in the market. However, there was another catalyst that pushed Lunc's price higher, which was the Binance burn. On March 1st, Binance burned 2.21 billion Lunc tokens. The idea behind the burning is to make the token scarce while boosting the value if demand increases. Furthermore, Vegas's, a prominent member of the Terra community, revealed that the number of tokens burned in total has crossed 100 billion. The 4-hour Lunc USD chart showed that bullish momentum began building up around February 23rd. During that time, bulls camped at the 0.30's $11 support while pushing the price to 0.30's $13. However, the breakout did not happen until March 1st, when Lunc changed hands at 0.30's $14. At press time, the candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame were all bullish, indicating that sellers were almost non-existent. So how do you think? Will Terra Classic rise from the ashes? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.